Let's just do what you want to. Please don't be polite, cause I like your attitude. Let's forget about a curfew, cause all that is stuck in my head. It's me and you, both speed and my heart is racing.
Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Right now I know y'all noticing that my background and my scenery is different. It's because I'm at Diamond's house and we're recording a video for y'all. We're gonna do a sibling tag and we're just gonna answer a couple of questions. As you guys can see, we kind of been like planning makeup or whatever, so we spent a little time together today. I was gonna record us doing makeup, but it was just way too complicated because I'm not used to, you know, house or whatever, and I didn't really know exactly how to set up. But we're gonna get this done for you guys, and I know y'all waiting on more content, so that part. First, what the hell I just set my phone with? You ready? Ready! Hi you guys. Alright. We good? Yeah. I'll look right there. Okay. Okay, so this is Diamond. This is my niece. I know it's weird. I know. You're like, what are we? How many? Are we like a year?
26.
We're a year apart.
Yeah, I think so.
Okay, so yeah, we're a year apart.
We never asked that.
She's 26. I always knew that Jazz was, me and Jazz for much apart, but I didn't know. I knew it was a year and something. But anyways, yeah, she's my niece. My mom and her mom, which is my sister.
Her mom is my mother.
Mm-hmm.
Her mom is my grandmother.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Well, y'all, I'm sure y'all can add that up.
It's a little complicated, but it's okay. But yeah, okay. So the first question is, who is the oldest? I'm the oldest. I'm 27. She's 26. So the second question is, what's the last text we sent each other? The last text we sent each other. Yeah, it was about me coming over and recording. I actually been talking about doing it for the longest, but we just never followed through with it. I was working.
It was actually a year ago when we first said something.
Really?
Yes.
Oh my goodness. See? See?
It's been a year since we talked about doing this makeup video. It's been a year.
I know that.
That was like, it was like the middle. Well, it hasn't been a year, about the year, but it was last year, the middle of last year.
That's ridiculous. That's sad.
Hey, we did it though. It took a minute, but we're here.
Okay, let's see. What do we have in common? We have a lot in common. We're both like around the same age range. Both chocolate. Well, I don't consider myself to be light skinned, and it's like caramel,
and I wouldn't say that I'm dark skin. I'm dark skinned, but I'm like a Milky Way dark skin. I'm not no Hershey. Yeah. I'm a Milky.
Yeah, get it right.
Pretty much.
Get it right. Yeah, hair. Both of us know how to do hair real good. Like, she made wigs, I made wigs. She do makeup, I do makeup. Well, not on other people.
We love makeup together, like as in the
Yeah, we have a really big passion.
One of us finds some good makeup, we call it the other one.
Yeah, we really do. Be like, oh, you need to hit up such and such because she got the new makeup on the low down. The low. So yeah, hair, makeup, fashion. We both know how to dress, honey. I think that kind of like running our family though, because all of us.
Let me get back to how I was.
Baby, because I was just in Walmart looking a fucking mess. Like, ooh.
I gotta get my clothes back up. My clothes and shoes, and I'll be back.
Yeah, I think that I had, like, cause I didn't like calm down a lot. So really, like to dress up. I don't really have nothing to dress up.
But I don't be going nowhere for real.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
I'm finna get dressed up. I gotta get my clothes back together though.
Yeah, me too. Cause it's like a lot of shit. A lot of my clothes I can't even fit no more.
Yeah, I done gained some weight.
So
bras and
we have fat. We both of us can dress or whatever. We love fashion and stuff like that. It says what is something weird that you eat. Now, I know. I know, cause you tell me this all the time. But like, it's like after so long, after you eat something and that's something that you just eat like normally.
I don't think what do you think I eat weird? I don't think I eat nothing weird. What's something weird?
Wasn't you dipping your motherfucking fries up in some ice cream?
Oh.
Now that's
a lot of folks really kind of do that.
I never did that.
It's good. Y'all gotta try it. I actually
like,
get ice cream and fries and dip my fries in the ice cream and eat it. But I think that's good. You gotta try it. I'm telling you. You gotta try it.
No.
It's really good.
I think I like fries too much to do that.
You just gotta try it. It's like you ever heard of that ice cream, saucy ice cream, whatever it's called?
Salty?
Salty.
No, I know they got an ice cream that tastes like ketchup.
Yeah.
That's nasty.
It's like pretty much, it's like the salt from the fries and you dip it in the ice cream. I don't know, you gotta try it. It's so good though. My first time trying it, what was my first time? Wendy's. When I had to dip my Wendy's, actually what happened, my fry failed. I had opened my Frosty from Wendy's and I was eating fries at the same time. One of my fries fell in it and I picked it up and ate it and it was good. After that, I started eating it. It was actually good. But I think that's probably about almost, I'd say about the weirdest thing. I think so.
Well, I think that's a little safe. Yeah. Considering the type of shit that I eat. Like, I eat a lot of spicy foods. I eat a lot of, like, I be having cravings for vinegar. So,
you put vinegar on everything.
So, I do eat cucumbers and vinegar with some Italian dressing. Okay, I ain't ashamed of it.
That's weird shit.
I don't care. Alright, I need my cucumbers and vinegar. But
you, like they say, don't knock it till you try it. I'm sure somebody gonna watch this video and gonna try something out.
I guess. Who takes longer to get ready? I think you get ready pretty fast for how good you be doing your shit though.
I think so.
Cause
you take like an hour.
Even when I be trying to rush and hurry up,
cause I'm telling you what I do.
It's still in the
makeup. This is my routine when I'm getting ready to go somewhere. Like say all of us going out or something. First thing I do is my makeup, cause I know my makeup gonna take longer than anything. I do my makeup first, and then I get in the shower. Then when I get out the shower, I do my hair and then put my clothes on. So therefore, you know how you do your makeup fall and stuff on your clothes, so I won't mess up none of my clothes like that. So when I get out the shower, I do my hair and then I put my clothes on, and then I do a little touch up that I have to do for my makeup, which don't really be nothing but the powder. Okay. That's it. And
I do the complete opposite. That's probably why it takes me so long, because I be scared to do my makeup first and then like get dressed and then like get a smudge or something on my shirt.
Yeah, see, this the routine I'm finna show y'all. Hold on, I'm gonna show you real quick what I learned.
Yeah, because that ass, it take me so long. It take me at least like,
you got a bunny?
At least.
Do you have a bunny? I'm gonna show y'all ladies a routine that I learned.
I got money at the house.
When you getting ready and you already did your makeup, you get your bunny and put it like this, and then put your shirt on. That's how I have nothing on my clothes.
Are you serious?
You put your shirt on, you put your bunny on your face, and you put your shirt on. So therefore, you don't have to worry about no makeup getting on your shirt at all. That's the routine that I do. That's why when I go out, that's why I say I do my makeup first. So therefore, I don't have no type of smear.
Yeah, that's the only reason why I don't do my
you
makeup
put your
first.
bonnet over your face like this, and then you pull your shirt on.
Oh.
You won't worry about no smudge, no nothing. That's my routine. That's why I do my makeup first. Like I can wear all white, and I put this on my face. I just taught you something.
You really did.
You get your bunny and put it over your face. You ain't even gotta be your bunny. It can be a shower cap, and put it over your face. That's what I do. So therefore, and then, but you know, you gotta wash your hands too. You know, makeup be on your hands. But that's what I'm telling you. Try it out. Do your makeup first, and then get in the shower, and then put that on and watch. You won't have no smudge. The only thing you'll probably have to do, like I say, probably your lips.
Okay.
But that's it. I just taught y'all something else.
Dang,
that's what I do.
That's the only reason why I don't do makeup first, because I be so scared I'm getting on my clothes.
See, the reason why I do my makeup first, like I told you, the shower will set your makeup. Yeah. So therefore, when I get out the shower, I can see if I, need to touch it up, or if I miss some or something like that, or if something don't look right, because my makeup already set before I leave the house.
See. What's something that we're both bad at?
Answering the phone.
Oh yeah.
Answering the phone, somebody call, we always call them back, or we'll get the phone call later or something like that. Like, we really never really sit there and answer the phone quick enough.
Yeah, I agree, because Joshua be getting that. Joshua be
the same way.
They be like, nigga, I know you see me calling.
No, Joshua will call me on the phone, and if I don't answer the phone, I get a message on Facebook, or I get a call on Facebook. And then he had told my mama one time it was so funny. I was in the house sleep all day. So my mama was calling me, but I won't answer the phone. So Joshua was calling me, and I ain't answer the phone. So he called me on Facebook. So he gonna tell my mom. He told mama that it was something going on with me, because he was like, she ain't even answer the Facebook call. And I was in the house asleep the whole time.
That would be killing me.
Y'all should be so serious too.
I know you see me message you.
And then when I wrote him and said that I was asleep, he gonna write me, bitch. I said, okay. I didn't know it was a crime for me to be asleep all day.
Man, that nigga crazy. He
funny though.
You just gonna have to pick up the phone for him. Like, and then he don't even be wanting nothing.
Nothing at all.
He just want to sit on the phone.
He was calling me about some boxers. I said, what? Joshua was funny though. Joshua popped up over here the other day because I was selling out to him on the phone. He popped up on me. He talking about, I'm outside, bitch, open the door. I said, oh my God. That little boy funny though.
I know. I ain't telling my girl pictures for that. Yeah, so this gonna be our last question, because as you can see, things is popping off on social media right now.
Social media going ham right now.
Mm-hmm.
Everybody.
So, are we a dad's girl or a mama's girl?
I'm a mama's girl. I know for a fact. Like I say, I love my dad to death. I go crazy when things happen to him, but I'm more closer with my mother than I am with my dad. I talk to my mama every single day on the phone. I pop up at her house almost every day, and anytime something happens, I'm about to call my mama. And you see that status, just like with job wise, I have to call my mama to verify with her if I can quit the job. If my mama say quit, I'm quitting. Mm-hmm. Like, I called my mama 6 o'clock in the morning about that job. Mm-hmm. I called her 6 o'clock in the morning and was telling her that I think I'm finna quit. I told her what happened and was I wrong. She was like, no, you ain't wrong. So I'm like, all right, I'm finna quit. She was like, okay.
Yeah, girl, I know I had to quit me a few of them, because jobs be really thinking they can just get over on you, and that's not really the case, especially not with us.
Exactly.
You ain't finna treat me no kind of way just because you pay. I'm on your payroll.
Exactly. Especially, and then it be the co-workers that feel like, you know, it's always one coworker to take their job so serious.
Oh yeah.
And I be looking at you like you got the same color uniform I got on. Like you're not a manager.
Like,
we both working the same hour. We both doing the same thing.
I had stayed at that job so damn long to where it was like I was so miserable, and I was like, you know what, this don't make no sense. It shouldn't be like this. I shouldn't have to wake up and be miserable that I'm going to work.
Like I ain't gonna lie. Now when I was working at Popeyes and Taco Bell, that was actually a job I actually used to like going to work for because the job
had fun.
Yeah, it was fun. Everybody had got along. Wasn't nobody beefing them like that. It was a good environment to be in. The customers was like a good place to like. Everything was good with those two jobs. Burger King, that was the job that I was just like, I don't want to go to work. I don't want to be here. When I do get to work, I'm watching the clock. I'm talking about constantly until it get closer.
But I just want to say thank you guys so much for staying tuned and watching our video. Thank you for the support. This is Diamond. I'm gonna link her Instagram account, like her link. Follow her on Instagram. Can I link her Snapchat on there? I'll link her Snapchat. I don't have a Snapchat. Y'all know where to find me: Instagram and Twitter. But yeah, thank you guys so much. Thank y'all for having Diamond.
Bye, you guys.
We gonna see y'all later.
Facebook, if y'all want to follow me, add me on Facebook. My Facebook name is Diamond Cash. But not to be rude or anything, but please inbox me to let me know that you was a subscriber, so I can know to add you.
Do that.
Because Facebook crazy.
If we ain't got no mutual friends, honey, sorry.
Add you, baby.
No,
I don't be knowing who you is, but just tell me and inbox me and let me know, hi Diamond, this is so and so. I seen the video. Boom, I got you, babe.
Yeah,
I'ma add you.
Cause we ain't got no mutual friends.
But Snapchat and Instagram,
baby, just
it's a add me. Yeah, it's a wrap. But yeah, bye you guys.
Bye y'all.